I have a Casablanca fan that has a wall switch with power, reverse, fan, and light buttons, but no speed button. The fan only goes one speed, fast. Any ideas how to help me out?
What's the brand and model of your lighting? How old is it?
Casablanca UL listed ceiling fan 652T. I have a serial and CB number if that would help.
How long has this been going on with your lighting? What have you tried so far?
There is no light on the fan. The light button doesn't do anything.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
On the wall switch, the power turns the whole fan on and off, so that has to be in when you push the fan button. The fan reverses when you push the reverse button. The fan is at least 16 years old, because that's when we bought the house.
Hello, my name is to hear you are having trouble with your fan. I would like to help you figure it out.
Okay, I'm here. I can give you model number if that would help.
I am just reviewing your question. Is this a new fan or has the fan been in place for some time?
It's at least 16 years old. That's when we bought the house.
I see. Can you send a picture of the switch and a model number if available of the switch?
Here you go. 652T I think is the model number. Serial number KK970353.
Thanks for your patience, I am just researching your options. I will be with you shortly. It seems this is what they call a IntelliTouch switch, which is programmable for your needs. I am just trying to find programming info unless you may have it.
No, I do not have programming information.
I have found the direct number for their service. 1- it may be a bad switch. I hope this information is helpful.
That's the phone number for Hunter fans. Are Hunter fans and Casablanca fans the same thing? That is the phone number for Hunter fans. Is Hunter fans and Casablanca fans the same thing?
Yes, they are now.
Okay, thanks. I'll give this a whirl, sorry for the pun.
Very good, if you need any other help please let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.